Which of the following is classified as a ferrous metal? Option D, cast iron. What is the basic building unit of polymer is called? Option D, monomer. Which property is defined as the resistant to indentation, abrasion, or scratching? Option C, hardness. In the context of mechanical properties, what does resilience represent? Option B, energy absorbed up to the elastic limit. Which property enables a material to be drawn into wire under a tensile load? Option D, ductility. Which material is often considered as most ductile? Option B, gold. What is creep in engineering materials? Option D, slow and continuous deformation under constant load over time. Failure caused by cyclic or fluctuating load is known as fatigue. Option A. Which electrical property is the reciprocal of resistivity? Option C, conductivity. In magnetic hysteresis, the value of B when the magnetizing force H is zero is called option C, residual magnetism. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is option D, specific heat. What is which of the following is non-destructive test? Option D, ultrasonic testing. The point in a tensile test where Hooke's law is obeyed is the option B, proportional limit. Which indenter is used in a Vickers hardness test? Option A, diamond squared based pyramid. In the Rockwell C-scale hardness test, the indenter used is a option B, diamond cone. The IZOD impact test differ from the survey test because the specimen is held option D, vertically as a cantilever wave. Which non-destructive test method use high-frequency sound wave to locate internal defects? Option D, ultrasonic inspection. Gray cast iron is known for which specific characteristic due to graphite flux? Option C, high vibration dumping capacity. Which cast iron is extremely hard because the carbon is in the form of option C, cementite iron carbide. Which alloying element is primarily responsible for the red hardness in high speed steel? Option C, tungsten. The main alloying element that make steel stainless is option D, chromium. Brass is an alloy consisting of option C, copper and zinc. Which non-ferrous alloy is used for making bell due to its sonorous property? Option B, bell metal. What is the dryness fraction of dry saturated steam? Option A, 1. In which type of boiler do hot gas pass through tubes surrounded by water? Option D, fire tube boiler. Which of the following is considered a boiler mounting required for safety? Option C, fusible plug. What is the primary function of an economizer in a steam plant? Option B, to heat fed water using waste flue gases. The Lamont boiler is classified as a option D, high pressure water tube boiler. Which part of an IC engine converts reciprocating motion into rotary motion? Option D, crankshaft. The ratio of total cylindrical volume when the piston is at BDC to clearance volume is called option A, Comparison ratio. A four-stroke engine produces one power stroke for every dash revolution of the crankshaft. Option B 2. Which cycle is the basic for the working of petrol SI engine? Option B Otto cycle. In a diesel engine, what is taken into the cylindrical cylinder during the suction stroke? Option D pure air only. Two-stroke engine use dashed instead of bulbs for gas exchange. Option A ports. Which element of a hydroelectric power plant reduce the water hammer effect? Option D surrogate tank. In a nuclear power plant, the function of the moderator is to dash slow down fast moving neutrons. Solar photovoltaic cell converts sunlight directly into option D, option C, direct current DC. A solar pond stores heat by inhabiting gas in salt water. Option B, convection. Which mechanism keeps a wind turbine facing the wind? Option C, yaw mechanism. Tidal energy is produced due to the gravitational attraction of the dash. Option B, moon and sun. Which of these material has the lowest thermal conductivity? Option D, polymers. What is the purpose of fusible plug in a boiler? Option D, to put off the fire when water level is dangerously low. Alnico is a pigment magnet alloy containing iron and which other element? Option A, nickel, cobalt, aluminum. The process of annealing white cast iron produces which type of material? Option B, malleable cast iron. High carbon steel generally contains carbon in the range of option B 0.60% to 1.5%. Which part of steam engine controls the entry and exhaust of steam? Option D slide valve. And the BIS designation FE 410 represents option A minimum tensile strength in Newton millimeter square. Which non-ferrous metal is widely used for electrical transmission due to its high conductivity? Option D copper. Babbitt metal is primarily used for option A bearings. What is the typical lifespan of hydroelectric power plant? Option B 100 to 125 years. Thank you.